Hi everyone, today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a half double crochet foundation chain. So go ahead and start with your slip knot and then chain 2. Yarn it over and go into the very first chain that you made. And then pull up a loop. Now normally right here you would yarn over and pull through all 3. But since we're making a foundation chain, you have to pull through 1, yarn it over, and then pull through the rest of the 3. And if you look up close, you have your 3 that you yarned through right there, and that was the chain that you made from the first pull through. So you're going to yarn it over again, go into the chain space you made, bring up your loop, yarn it over, pull through 1 again. That makes your chain space right there. Yarn it over, pull through all 3. And then you can see your 3 that you pulled through and then the chain space you made. So yarn it over, go into that chain you made. Oops, lost my yarn over there. Bring it up, yarn it over, pull through the 1, yarn it over, and then you pull through all 3. And then you keep going for as many as your pattern calls for. And just count 1, 2, 3 that you pulled through, and then the next one down is your chain space. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the box below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.